We're out at the Florida Panthers Arena today to address a mainline leak that was reported by the team out here next to the pump station. Behind me, you can see that there's the pump station, and the leak is right there. Let's get into it. Well, the good news is this sucker dug itself out. The bad news is it also dug out underneath this concrete slab, so we're gonna have to get the dirt back up underneath there to support that 6-inch pipe running across the slab. We also are gonna have to make this repair on this line, and we're not going to replace that slip fix with another slip fix. This being so close to the pump station, I don't want to make that kind of repair. The pipe on top is a lateral pipe. We're focused on the main pipe on the bottom. That's a main line. What we're going to do here is we're going to cut out this slip fix. We're going to install a coupling here, a short piece of 3-inch pipe, and a band clamp, a dresser band coupling to put this all back together. I'll show you what that looks like here. And there you have it, fully installed band clamp, or rich man slip fix. All right, so the way that this thing gets installed is you have to put 30 pounds of pressure on each one of these bolts. And being that I'm not a mechanic, I don't have the kind of tool that tells me that. So I'm going to tell you that you just get those suckers as tight as you can and you're gonna be good. Don't use this thing on thin wall pipe, it will crush it. All right, on to the next one.